Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go. Today we are showing you this house and lot for sale located here in one of the exclusive subdivisions here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This property is priced at 45 million pesos. It has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 350 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, high ceiling, living, dining, and kitchen, service area, office, laundry, storage room, swimming pool, solar power system, CCTVs, and a carport for 2 vehicles. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. As we can see, the facade of the house, very minimal design. Neutral colors ang ginamit. We have gray, brown, and white. In front, we have this greenery right here. No, so ito, maganda to pag tubo niyan. No? It's a calachuchi. Right here, meron tayong 2 carport. And very nice ang tiles na ginamit sa driveway natin. Social. Okay, step up. This is your front door. This one is storage and can be a staff room also. Big wooden door sa front door natin, guys. Electronic lock. Philips. Branded. As we enter, we have a door right here that's set up as an office. Silipin natin. May sofa and desk dyan. Very nice. So, it's a multi-purpose room. Kung ano yung gusto nyong gamit dyan, pwede. So, walking through here, we have our stairs right here. Then, our powder room is under the stairs. We have a sink and toilet na merong bidet. Very nice. Okay? Very presentable for your guests. Head up to the living area. We have this open living space. To my right is the living area. So you have a very nice couch right here. Big window. Dito, more windows up there. Dual height ceiling. You have your console right here. Of course, this area is your dining table. 6 people comfortably. Right here, you have this counter for your microwave and oven. More storage up on top. Dual door refrigerator. You have this very nice countertop na may mga sparkle design. Your range hood, and more storage. And this is your sink. Okay? That's this door right here. Meron tayong swing door right here, which is your dirty kitchen or daily kitchen. You have stove, exhaust, windows, and storage. Okay. This door right here, by the way guys, it's screen door for your protection sa mga insects. Diba? To my right, ito yung palabas sa garage natin. This door is storage or can be a staff room. You have a sink right here. Very nice greenery sa fence natin. This is your pump room and your beautiful swimming pool. Very nice because very unique yung shape niya. Diba? Nice. And ang ganda ng mga plants na ginamit. Yucca and calachuchi. Okay. You have a seating area dito by the pool. Diba? Ang ganda ng view mo dito. Pwede siyang overflow pag you have more guests. Dito kakain. Pwede siya. Then, pasok ulit tayo. And one more look sa ating kitchen, dining, and living area. Kanina guys, sobrang amazed ako because this house, in effect, has 2 master bedroom. So, one on the ground floor. So check it out. Big wooden door, big bed, tons of space. Meron tayong sliding door dito going out to your pool. Big window. You have this desk right here for study or vanity. But may vanity tayo doon sa loob. Malaki pa yung space. And your walk-in closet is right here. Imagine how generous yung space ng ating closet. Ang dami mong paglalagay ng inyong mga outfits and bags and all. Diba? Vanity right here. Meron ka ng seat dito and your mirror. Imagine, dito ka nagpe-prepare ng makeup mo. Plus your master toilet and bath that has your toilet, your dual sink, and your enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Really nice. Okay? And also, very nice yung design ng tiles natin. It looks like wood. But since it's a tile, it's easier to maintain. Okay? Now let's head up for the second floor. We have these wooden stairs. Ito mga wooden planks siya, yung steps natin. Wood handle or handrail na may metal. We have this large window sa ating mid-landing. Ito yung morning sun, guys. This house is morning sun orientation. Lighted yung steps natin for your safety at night. And guys, na-mention ko na ba na this house is solar powered. So, in the long run, it will be cheaper for you to run the house kasi may solar tayo. Okay? Storage. Bedroom number 1 on the second floor. Na-mistake ko to kanina as a master bedroom kasi malaki rin siya. Pero it's a regular bedroom. You have a desk right there. Windows. Your bed is right here. And of course, a walk-in closet and your toilet and bath is right here. Ang daming space. Ayan. Toilet, sink, and shower is right here. Nice, no? Pwede pa maglagay ng TV console dito. We have this hallway right here. This door is storage. It's locked at the moment. We have this railing right here that overlooks your living area. Na ang ganda ng color na ginamit kasi may pop of yellow. So, yung neutral then may yellow. Very nice, no? This bedroom is set up as a kids room. May tayo dito. Single bed, dalawang single bed. You have a study right there. Lots of windows. Air conditioning is installed, by the way, for this house. A walk-in closet. And, of course, your toilet and bath is right here. Na maaliwalas. Enclosed shower, sink, and toilet. A window for natural light and ventilation. May mga drawers pa, oh. Going back to the hallway, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo guys kanina na parang dalawa yung master sa bahay na to because you have this room. Master bedroom number 2. Upon entry, big bed, study, di ba? Tons of space right here. Air conditioning is Daikin, a good brand, no? And of course, your master walk-in closet. Yan, dami. May mga drawers pa. Soft close din. Plus, we have this vanity. And of course, toilet and bath number 2. Toilet, dual sink, and your enclosed shower with rainfall shower head. Ganda. Kasi for example, binili mo tong house na to na young ka pa, tapos when you grow older, di ba, you choose to use the ground floor master. Pwede, no? Galing. Very versatile. And guys, behind the door, meron ding closet space. Ito parang pwedeng shoe closet. Very bright and airy. Okay, so let's do the recap. This property is priced at 45 million pesos. It has a lot area of 400 square meters, floor area of 350 square meters. It has 4 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, high ceiling, living, dining, and kitchen, service area, office, laundry, storage room, swimming pool, solar power system, CCTVs, and a carport for 2 vehicles. If you're interested, contact us for viewing. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty. Together with our director, Ken, we hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.